Alright, we got Droop E about to come by in a little bit. He's got the same Escalade I got. His is a 16, mine's a 15 though. After they get done shooting their video, we're gonna take him for a little ride in my Caddy. See if he can tell the difference between his and mine. The biggest difference, however, is gonna be this. Yep. Twin turbos, fully built motor, cammed, pistons, balanced, blueprinted, all those fancy words. 1,000 horsepower engine. I say we take him for a ride.
Droop E, this a slap, man. Fik is beating up the seat, damn near causing God delete my contact. I'm riding in a big body, you riding in a compact.
Filming, so
We're just gonna go around the block real quick.
yeah, no worries. I'm not in a hurry, but I'm just saying I'm gonna get shit prepped for the shop to get shut down.
Okay.
Get back.
Car behind me. I'll wait till we get past that guy. Yeah, so I mean that's just everyday. Like it just pulls so hard. All you want to do is play with it, even though you're not really going that fast. Just feeling the acceleration is. We left some tracks back there. Oh, this guy go by. Alright, here we go. So we'll just go up there and then we'll turn. We'll be back at the shop again. Don't worry, I also got the brakes to stop us too, so
Yeah.
the Willwoods ain't playing around. I'm barely even touching the brake.
That goes. So, that was damn near. What'd you get up to?
So we're already back at the shop at all. We'll go over here for a second and do something fun.
So, that's crazy.
But I wanted to get you in here because I don't know that many other people that have the same car.
Yeah, like my shit, I ain't gonna lie, my shit is, it get up quick, but it ain't like this.
Where's the camera at?
Me?
Ready?
Yep.
God damn.
Wow. Why? Those tires are done. The tires are done. Tires
Dude.
are done.
Oh my gosh.
Man, you got my wheels dirty. Acting out right quick though. Oh shit, that was legendary. Damn, I wish you would have had it recorded that. Direction.
Where are they at, man? They're going. Burn them.
Burn them.
Hey.
Man, you got my wheels dirty.
See, I'd be in trouble if I had something like that.
Yeah.
Where that come from? Was the building on fire or what? Damn. Did I lay down posse or was that a peg leg? Shit, that looked like about $100 worth of rubber on the ground right there. Huh? Did that fuck them up?
Crazy. Damn,
Oh, man.
the director was filming. Good shit.
Thanks for coming out and visiting me, man.
Man, thank you for the hospitality.
Yeah, no doubt, man. Go for a little ride with me in the Caddy.
Man, legendary, bro. I appreciate this for real.
No problem, man.
Powering down. just do that?
That shit go crazy.
Sound like my car's gonna explode.